Today we will be going over how to use some basic tools in Scratch for your project over making your story come to life. So this is what Scratch looks like, and you can make this little animal do pretty much whatever you want. It can move 10 steps, as this say, it can turn, move to a different direction, or even change coordinates. You can also make it say words for certain amounts of time, and you can also make it go to the front or back, and you can also add sounds if you would like. There's also things known as events, so you can make these things occur when you press the space bar. And also here, this is a place called Costume, where you can make your little sprite have a costume. And this tab called Sound is where you can record specific sounds if you would like. Now, if you want to add a new sprite, so let's say your story doesn't involve a cat, you can just click on this little character right here and choose from an array of beings. So, for example, I am going to choose this character named Abby. So now Abby is in my little animation. So Abby is here, and I don't want this sprite anymore, so I'm going to go up to the top and click the scissors delete, and then click the cat, and then the cat is all gone. So now something you can also do is set a backdrop to your scene, and this is found right in the bottom corner where it says new backdrop. So you can click on an image, and it already has images for you, and even if you don't like any of these images, you can draw your own. But for this, we are going to use a bedroom scene because my story is going to involve Abby waking up. So I have Abby in my little picture, and I also have her bedroom. So now let's just make Abby do some simple moves. So I will say when the space key is pressed, Abby is going to move, and I will change this to 5 steps. And then I'm going to have her turn 90 degrees and move 2 steps. So I have my little animation here going, very simple. And if I want to start it, I click on this green flag up in the corner, and I click start. And then when I press my space key, this is what happened. So that is my little tutorial of how to work Scratch. And if you have any more questions, attached to the lesson plan is also a Scratch tutorial that was made by the Scratch website that you can follow instead.